Hi guys, welcome to Group 2. I'm going to share the information and history of Taal volcano. Taal volcano, in Tagalog, Volcán Taal, in Spanish, Volcán Taal, is a large caldera filled by Taal Lake in the Philippines. In the province of Batangas, the volcano is the second most active volcano in the Philippines. For recorded historical eruptions, all of which were concentrated on Volcano Island near the middle of Taal Lake. The caldera was formed by prehistoric eruptions between 140,000 and 5,380 BP. From the Tagaytay Ridge in Cavite, Taal volcano and lake presents one of the most picturesque and attractive views in the Philippines. It is located about 50 kilometers, 31 meters south of the capital of the country. Reform within months in the rainy climate after activity cease. City of Manila, the main crater of Taal volcano, originally had a lake until the explosive 2020 eruption expelled its water. Has had several violent eruptions in the past, causing loss of life on the island and the populated areas surrounding the lake, with the death toll estimated at about 6,000. Because of its proximity to populated areas and its eruptive history, the volcano was designated a decade volcano. Worthy of close study to prevent future natural disasters, all volcanoes of the Philippines are part of the Pacific Ring of Fire.
And now, I will discuss the Taal volcano eruption. On January 12, 2020, 1 p.m. local time, Taal volcano located from the province of Batangas and Calabarzon region began showing a sign of unrest after 43 years in activity that caused of loss of Batangueños and the other of Calabarzon region and their teams home and the 39 people who died from the same place. The Taal volcano eruption caused a suspension of class, work schedule, and schedule of flight in the area.
What happens before an eruption? Before a volcano erupts, there is normally an increase in earthquakes and tremors near and under the volcano. These are caused by magma, molten rock, pushing upward through the rock under the volcano. Hot springs in the area around the volcano may appear or change in appearance and temperature. Then how can we tell when a volcano is dormant or extinct? If a volcano has erupted since the last ice age, which is the last 10 years or so, it was still showing activity like lava and ash flows or gas emissions, it's considered to be active. If a volcano hasn't erupted in the last 10 years, but scientists think it will erupt again, it's considered dormant. Some volcano safety tips before volcanic eruptions. Have your emergency kit ready for evacuation. Review the city's evacuation routes. Gas up your car and charge all devices. Stay tuned to the local media and NOAA or USGS alerts. Cover windows and door openings inside the house. And the last one is stay indoors.
And if you are in the under volcanic warning, first you need to listen emergency information and alert. Next is follow evacuation or shelter order. If advised to evacuate, then do so early. Next is avoid areas downstream of the eruption. Protect yourself from the ash falls and do not drive from heavy ash falls because it can cause accident.
What to do after volcanic eruption? Go back to your house but leave your kids with someone who can take care of them while you're checking your house. When in your house, clean everything and check in if there's damage. Use mask when cleaning. Wait to announcement related to volcanic activities. Make sure that your house is still safe for you.